your hand up. And if you see another swimmer that needs help, please help them.
Our love is alive.